Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today is going to be January's Boxycharm unboxing. If you're new to my channel, this is a monthly subscription box with usually 5 full-size beauty items, and it's $21 a month, and usually the box is well over $100 in value. So anyway, I've already opened it to see what was in it, just to see what I could go ahead and do so that this video wouldn't be so long. So I've already got my foundation, concealer, powder, and a little bit of bronzer on. And so let's just jump into the box. Alright, when I first open the box, I pull out this card here. It always comes with a card that tells all about the products that are inside, and also lists the prices of everything. So go ahead and lay that to the side. Okay, the first thing I'm seeing is Briogeo, I think that's how you say it, is Strength Plus Moisture Leave-In Mask, and this is for your hair. I haven't tried this, obviously, so I have tried some of their products back when I used to get an Ipsy bag every month. Sometimes they would have some of their products in it, and I think I liked it, but I can't really remember, so I'll let y'all know. If you're interested, just leave me a comment and I'll let you know if I've tried this and if I like it. So, but this is, let's see, 2 ounces. I'm not sure if it's a full size or not. It doesn't really say, but it's $16. So, okay, the second thing I see in my box is from Ofra Cosmetics, and it is a long-lasting liquid lipstick in Havana Night. This is like a dark red color. So we'll try that out today. And it's full-sized, and it, let's see, retails for $20. The next thing I'm really excited about, it's from Tarte. And I love Tarte Cosmetics, and this is the Rainforest of the Sea, Volume 3. So it's a little eyeshadow palette. Let's go ahead and open this up and see what it looks like. Okay, this is what the palette looks like on the outside. And on the inside, it's just these beautiful neutral. As you can see, I've already dug in there and swatched some of the colors. But this would be a good palette if you want to do like natural looks on your eyes. But it's got mostly shimmers, I think. The only one I see that doesn't really have shimmer is this basic color here, which is a good crease color. If you're pale like me, this is a good crease color. This is a limited edition palette, full size, and this retails for $36. So this is pretty pricey for this little guy, but they have really good quality eyeshadows. This thing is a eyeliner by Star Looks. Let's see. Let me open this up. Okay, so this is a brown, just a brown eyeliner. Well, that's nice. Let's see, it retails for $19. Alright, and the last thing's in here, it is by Tatcha, and this, it comes with 2 Luminous Dewy Skin Masks. I personally have never tried Tatcha, but they're pretty pricey. 2-pack mask retails for $24. So, we'll be trying these out. Okay, so now that I've shown you everything that came in the box, I'm going to go ahead and start using some of these products. And the first thing I'm going to use is the eyeshadow palette. Like I said, I've already got my foundation and powder and concealer on. So I'm just going to take a fluffy brush. Let's see. Most of these are shimmers, so I'm just going to roll with it. First thing I'm going to do is take this one color that's not a shimmer and lay that down in the crease. You may not even be able to see this on camera. I'm not sure. You can see it a little bit because I'm so pale. So if anybody watching this, if you get Boxycharm and you got this month's box, let me know in the comments below what product are you most excited about. I think for me, so far, it's the face masks and the eyeshadow palette. They're laid on. I'm going to go in with this darker brown. It's kind of a shimmer, but I'm going to go ahead and put it in my crease anyway, because it's kind of shimmery, but it's not like a foiled shadow, so it's not going to be, hopefully, too glittery looking. Okay, so I have the two colors that I use for my crease. Now I think just to make it super simple, I'm just going to put a lid color on, and that's all I'm going to do because these colors are so neutral that there's really no look you can get except a nice natural look. So that's what we're going for today. Now you could put winged eyeliner on and really kind of make it more glamorous looking. Okay, so now I'm going to take this color that's right beside the one I used in my crease. There isn't a list of the color names on the back of the palette or inside that box, so which doesn't really bother me. I'm just going to call it like a gold shimmery color. I'm just going to take a little bit on a flatter shader brush, tap off the excess. I always want to say access. Okay, so I've got the top eyeshadow on, and that's all I'm going to do, other than do some eyeliner. But I'm going to do my eyebrows real quick, and I'll be right back. Okay, I am back. I've got my brows on. They're a little bit bold today. So I'm going to move on to the rest of my face. First, I'm going to do a little eyeliner, and I'm going to take this Starlooks eye pencil that came in the Boxycharm, and it is a brown color. And I'm going to... Okay, so now I've got my eyeliner on. I didn't do a wing or anything because for me, when I try to do a wing with pencil eyeliner, it just doesn't work out. So I just did a basic, did my waterline and just did my eyelid. So now I'm going to go back into the palette and do my under eye. I'm just going to take this little brush here, and it's got like a little slope to it, and I'm just going to use that with that dark brown color and kind of smoke that lower lash line out just a little bit. Okay, normally I do every color I put on my top, I put on my lash line, but since this look is so natural, I just did the one darker brown that I used and put it under my waterline. So now I'm going to do a little contour, a little blush, a little mascara, and then we'll come back and try some of this Ofra lipstick that came in the box. Okay, so now I want to do a little bit of a highlight. So I'm actually going to go in to the eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to go in with this color right here, which is kind of a golden champagne color, and I'm going to use that for my highlighter. That looks pretty good. Okay, so that is everything I'm going to do to my face and my eyes. So now the only thing left is to try this lipstick on. So let's see how this looks. Alright, so that is everything. If you've never tried Ofra Cosmetics Liquid Lip Formula, it's really good. It doesn't get too dry. It's not cakey. It doesn't feel heavy. And normally I don't gravitate toward really dark colors because I have super blonde hair and I just feel like it's just too much. But I actually love this color. It's this beautiful red, but almost with like a brown tone in it. It's beautiful. Okay, so I sprayed my face with setting spray and realized I didn't put mascara on or an inner corner highlight, so I did that real quick and now I'm back. So I'm going to go over the products again. We got this Don't Despair Repair Strength and Moisture Leave-In Mask, which is a 2-ounce bottle from Briogeo, and it is $16. The Ofra lipstick that I have on is $20. The Tarte eyeshadow palette, which is a limited edition Rainforest of the Sea, Volume 3, retails for $36. And the Tatcha Dewy Skin Face Mask 2-pack was $24. And then the eyeliner that you see here from Starlooks was retailing for $19. So the total cost of the box, which is $21 subscription a month, and the actual value of the box for this month of January was $105. So again, I'm not sponsored by Boxycharm. My channel's new. I've got like 50 something subscribers. So I definitely don't get paid for talking about how awesome I think Boxycharm is. But I want everybody that I know who watches these videos to really consider getting it, because it's, you know, it's just well worth the price. Okay, everybody, that's going to do it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, then please do so. And come check my videos out. And maybe you'll find something on here you like. I don't know. But anyway, I'll see you in my next video. You guys have a wonderful day. Bye.